try and understand and decode what's in store for us today for our markets. We have Kunal Bothra who's joining us on the technicals. Along with Kunal, as always, we have Nooresh Mirani joining us. Very good morning to you, gentlemen. And Kunal, let me come first to you. It's been kind of a boring type of a market if you look at, try to gauge where or which side of the fence the benchmark indices are headed. But what's in store for us today as well? Similar moves?
Very good morning. So, yeah, I think very much similar because I'm expecting the markets to consolidate. So, what we're seeing in the last few days is a classical shape of consolidation where the Nifty is, into a tight range of 100, 150 odd points, and the Bank Nifty remains to a range of 200 to 50 odd points broadly. What we are also doing into this, band of consolidation, we are trying to protect, the key support points for both the indices. So, the Nifty is trading above the 24,500 mark, and the Bank Nifty has been taking support at 53,000 levels broadly. So when you have the indices consolidating, the moves for the markets going into more of a narrowed kind of zone in the large cap space, and the move on the broader markets being a much more stronger, then I believe that that's a sign of consolidation. What we've also seen is the classical comeback from the mid caps and small caps, where you've seen the small cap index coming back to fresh swing highs for itself. So my sense is that this zone of consolidation will continue for some more time, and traders could be looking at more of stock specific action going forward.
All right, that's the day coming in from Kunal. But Naresh, very good morning to you as well. Help us with your take on the benchmark indices. They are seen to be in a bit of a consolidation mood. But for today, what should be the strategy?
So we are still in a band. So on the Nifty, after making that volatile move in the last 2 weeks for a single day, we are in that bar itself, which is basically 24,300 on the downside, 24,800, 850 on the upside. So the next move comes once we cross this range. And for the last 4 sessions, we've seen very small intraday ranges, a classical consolidation, or you could call it a pennant formation, which should ideally break out on the upside. So for now, 24,300 becomes a trading stop loss, and 24,800, 850 becomes a price point where if we sustain, we get into momentum. But at the same time, the breadth continues to improve. We've seen day before it was microcap 250 making a new all-time high. Yesterday, we had Nifty small cap 100 making a new all-time high. So that indicates the breadth is only getting stronger. So overall, the bias remains positive for the fact that breadth is good, as well as there is leadership in banks and IT.